Now, I want you to picture this with me. You got a man or woman, and they're looking at a 5 or 6 year old baby boy or girl. And in the moment of the terms of the endearment of the heart, right, as a parent, I've done this. We look at them and we tell them, hey, I love you, right? I would die for you. And then that same parent leaves that child and they go get them a syringe, boost one up, take them a big old liner, snort, grab them that bottle, right? Hit that glass pipe and live up to exactly what they told that child. That, yeah, I will die for you right here on this shit. It won't have nothing to do with you. It'll have everything to do with me and my words. That, yes, I will die for you. Right? In my addiction. While you're staying at your mama's and daddy's. You're going to eat their mama and daddy, their grandparents, right? Or in the child's home. Department of Human and Health Services. Yeah, I came to see you today. I love you, baby girl. But when I leave here, I'm going out the door, and I'm going to bing on up, and there I will be, and I will be found dead just for you. Hallelujah. Like that is something to be fucking talked about in today's world. Or better yet, all the people that come up into the trap house, or if you're the one holding the bag, and you've got everything, right? And all the people around you, you're home. Let me tell you something. Do you understand why they do not put co-defendants in the same cell block? That is because they are telling on one another. And the same being that if you're dumb enough, like I was, to believe some dope whore or some dude that just wants you for dope when he says, hey, bro, I got your back, man, I'd die for you, then you're a fucking fool. Right? An idiot. Because when the shit gets steep and the blue lights get turned on, right? Are they really behind us? That's what it looks like. And you don't have a hole cut in the floorboard of the car because you didn't have enough thought through, and you're going to prison with your homeboy, you're going to find out just how much that motherfucker loved you. Yeah, he's going to throw you right in the pit like they did Joseph to get his ass out of the trouble, and you'll be hanging on to that prayer. Yeah. But I'm your boy, man. I got you, dog. We family. That's the one that gets me. People that call people family. Hey, fuck you. You're not my family. Right? To be my family, it costs something. You'd had to put money on my books, help me through school, put my clothes on me, cook for me, clean for me, provide for me, put up with my bullshit to be my family. And you, my friend, are nothing to just a fucking fuck boy. Because you couldn't figure out how to get weight or make weight. And you want me to believe that you'd die for me. Let me tell you what needs to happen. If you're in that situation where you're over there telling your kid exactly what the fuck you're going to do, or you're believing exactly because some dude ain't got a place to stay and living on your couch and borrows your car, and you're buying the fact that, yeah, I'd die for you. You need to die to yourself, motherfucker. Hallelujah. You need to let all that bullshit in your life that you're willing to give your life for, rather than your child that you're promising, you need to give it the fuck up. Because you don't know in today's world. You just don't get meth. You get meth and fentanyl. And you just don't know how you're going to react to that. Or you buy some pills that you think's one thing, and it's just fentanyl. Right? Or that homeboy that you wasn't keeping track of the last 2 days went and got busted and went in the office, and they told him, I said, what do you know? And he said, well, my friend, he's got a whole bunch of dope, right? I'd probably go over and get some of it. I said, well, tell on 3, get free, right? And so you need to die to your fucking self and get real and die towards a better version of you and let all that bullshit go and get with God. Hallelujah. Get with your dignity and your character. Listen, I have done it all. I'm not throwing rocks at a glass house. I have been that dumb son of a bitch, right? But at the age of 50, If I can teach and inspire you to do something, yeah, keep on saying that shit while you're using, telling your little baby girl that you'll die for her, and that's exactly what the fuck you'll do. And she'll be crawling up on your casket or your little urn, and she can say, well, you know, my daddy meant what he said. My mama, she was a woman of our word. Yeah. Happens every day. Yeah, for real. They can crawl up in that. If you got enough money, they'll have your little ceremony, have your casket out the urn, they'll have little pictures. And they can crawl up there and look at your urn or in your face while you're laying there dead. And they say, well, Daddy kept his promise. Mama did too. Or when you're in that prison cell and they locked you down for 3 to 10 years, and that dude that was living on your couch is now fucking your girlfriend, and he's still doing what he was doing, and you're over there eating fucking beets. They serve a lot of beets in prison. And you can look out the glass, and if you're in the city, you can see that motherfucker. Yeah. That's that same sumbitch that promised you he'd die for you. Yeah. He'd let you die so he could live again. Fluent English.